Say mo ikasulti, sir. Pila ka hollow block ron?
Lakaw-lakaw ko. Kita man ko. Lapas ano, bulldozer.
Ikaw, ma'am, kumusta ang deep end ron?
No comment.
Tura manager.
Kabuta ko sa speed.
I'm okay. Yeah,
Okay ra gyud na siya per may basa na ito ba?
okay.
Okay. Alright, good evening everyone. So tonight's video.
Sanitizer mo, sanitizer.
Ang sama na?
Dili man na alcohol ka pa na sanitizer. Tarawa na nila eh. Alcohol mo ra wala dire.
Okay, dinner by the beach. Among suki, si view. Sa atong liliyon tong atong chef tonight. Og naunsa na ang iyang sinugba. La 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 la. So our chef is grilling fish and pork chop. Wow, kalami sa ilang gisugba. Wow. The sinugba is here. Naratong chef. Wow, nailiyan po guys. Very humot. Naatay tulingan. Dili ra ni asinan?
Mana na, ready to na.
Ready na? Nga na kay plato. Okay, nanay plato. Ato na po ta speakers ko sina. Yeah, so mo ni view og sea view at night. Dili ka mahadlok, mulaag kay daghang suga.
Sus ko to amat ito ga.
Unsa?
Padaop.
Seroy gasog pa. Kuan tangke sa tubig. Murag na diha. So nurag suki na ni namo diri ba kay last week kay kusog ang hangin ug ulan nag-house me diha. Napay dalonon? Okay na? Hi!
Live?
No.
live.
No, it's not live.
Hello, we got lechon manok here. So hot and so yummy.
Ipakita.
Yeah.
So we're waiting for the rice.
Rice.
Wow.
It's October.
Waiting for rice. Oh.
Naa sobra. Alright.
And the gun hunting.
Okay, be careful kids in the attic. The attic, it's really scary. Hi ate. Kids, careful.
They manage the population, and they only allow so many to be hunted so that the population stays, plentiful, right?
Yeah, then my father-in-law, if we got many deers.
Alright, so the chefs are done cooking.
Ito na ni mo.
We're gonna eat soon. Hello to my vlog.
Dong, agiring ito dong.
Ang iring mo, iniring ra to dito ante, pasagay mo tong iring. Patay na gyud ni ron. Tinola. Sausawan sa sinugba. Another soup. Chicken.
That's alright, di balik.
Alright.